In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export subscribers from MailerLite, step by step, so you can safely back up your list or move it to another platform. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into your MailerLite account using your email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Subscribers. This will open up your full subscriber overview, where all your contacts live. Now, you need to select the source of the subscribers you want to export. MailerLite gives you three choices. You can export all subscribers, subscribers from a specific group, or a segment you've already created. Pick the option that best fits what you need. If you want to narrow things down further, you can apply optional filters before exporting. For example, you might only want active subscribers, or perhaps you only need your customers or leads. This step helps you keep the export clean and targeted. Take a moment to review the list that appears on screen, just to confirm the correct contacts are displayed. This is your chance to double-check that everything looks right. Now, locate the export option. You'll see a button labeled Export somewhere near the top of the subscriber list. Click it. A window will pop up asking for your preferred format. Choose CSV if it's available, as this is the most widely compatible format for spreadsheets and most other email tools. Next, you'll configure which fields to include in the export. You can select fields like email, name, group membership, and sign-up date depending on what data you need. It's a good idea to only include what's useful to keep your file manageable. Once you've made your selections, click Export Subscribers to start the process. MailerLite will now prepare your file, and you may need to wait a few moments while it processes. When the file is ready, simply download it to your computer. Open the CSV file you just downloaded using any spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets, and carefully review the data to verify that all your contact information exported correctly. Finally, store the file securely in a protected location, whether that's an encrypted folder or a cloud storage service with strong privacy settings. And there you have it. Your subscriber list has been successfully exported from MailerLite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.